come back tomorrow.
Be something. Today I really am very ill. I feel awful.
Someone we cancel an appointment and why if you want to. Okay, the doctor will see you now.
Very ill. I am choking and sneezing. I have a fever, hot and cold, unusual time, and anything makes me feel sick.
Good morning, Miss Mary. What is wrong?
Morning, I feel very ill. I am I am showing and sneezing. I have feel too hot and can undo time. Anything makes me feel sick.
Okay, let me check your temperature.
Tiga.
Open your arms, please. How long have you had this symptom?
They started about a day ago.
Yes, your temperature is getting high. You have the flu. You have to go home and stay in bed until it gets better. Drink lots of water.
Can you give me some medication?
I can give you something to reduce your fever, but you just need to get get rest. I will write you a description, and you can collect the medication from the pharmacy.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, that's all from our video. We thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mom.